Good morning, children. How are you all? All are happy in house? Good. Do you know water? Tani. In Hindi, water what we will say? Pani. What we will say? Pani. And how water is important for us? Is water is too much important for us? Can you live your life without water? No. If water is not there, there is no life. Because some basic needs is there. Water and air should be, then only life will move, life will grow. Anytime when you are thirsty and around you water is not there, what will happen? You will just jump here, there, okay? Nothing is good for you. Any toy is there, food is there, no, because you want water. And do you know, 70% water is there in our body, okay? 70% water is there in our body, and not for human only, for trees and for animals also water is very much necessary. So today in this lesson 16, we will know the value of water, okay? How water is important in our life, why we should save the water, we will read, okay? So I will read and I will translate for you. Listen carefully, and free time don't forget to do the reading practice, okay? Lesson 16. Pani re pani. Pani re pani. In English you can say water oh water, okay? Just like a rhyming word. Pani means water. कहाँ से आता है हमारा पानी और फिर कहाँ चला जाता है हमारा पानी? So just they are asking, कहाँ से means from where? From where water comes, and again where water going, okay? Again where water will go? Maybe in your science teacher taught you about a water cycle, so you all little know what is the process, okay? As how vapor will be there, cloud will be, water will come, and again that water will go top, okay? हमने कभी इस बारे में कुछ सोचा है? Did you think anything about this? सोचा तो नहीं होगा शायद, पर इस बारे में पढ़ा जरूर है. Maybe you have not think, but you have read about this. भूगोल की किताब पढ़ते समय जल चक्र जैसी बातें हमें बताई जाती हैं. So I told you ना, in science or geography when you are studying, teacher will taught you about the water cycle. एक सुंदर सा चित्र भी होता है, and where water cycle will be there, there is a beautiful picture will be. इस पाठ के साथ सूरज सन, समुद्र सी, बादल क्लाउड, हवा एयर, धरती अर्थ, फिर बरसात की बूंदें और एंड अगेन इट्स रेनिंग विद रेन ड्रॉप एंड लो, फिर बहती हुई एक नदी और उसके किनारे बसा तुम्हारा हमारा गांव या शहर, एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर इज अ रिवर एंड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर सम टाउन सम हाउस विल बी देयर. चित्र के दूसरे भाग में यही नदी अपने चारों तरफ का पानी लेकर उसी समुद्र में मिलती दिखती है. एंड अगेन इन सेम वाटर साइकिल वन मोर पिक्चर विल बी देयर. दिस ऑल वाटर रिवर इज टेकिंग एंड पुटिंग इन सी, ओके? चित्र में कुछ जल चक्र पूरा होता है, ओके? कुछ तीर भी बने रहते हैं, एंड दिस ऑल पिक्चर विल बी शोड बाय अ एरो. समुद्र से उठी भाप बादल बनकर पानी में बदलती है. सो समुद्र से, समुद्र मीन्स सी, भाप मीन्स वेपर, भाप मीन्स वेपर. सो फ्रॉम सी वाटर विल वेपोराइज एंड इट विल टर्न इनटू अ क्लाउड, और फिर इन तीरों के सहारे जल की यात्रा एक तरफ से शुरू होकर समुद्र में वापस मिल जाती है. एंड विद दैट पिक्चर ओनली दिस वाटर साइकिल विल फिनिश. जल चक्र पूरा हो जाता है। यह तो हुई जल चक्र की किताबी बात। So this is the story about a water cycle. In book how picture will be shown. पर अब तो हम सबके घरों में, स्कूल में, माता पिता के दफ्तरों में, कारखानों और खेतों में पानी का कुछ अजीब सा चक्कर सामने आने लगा है। बट nowadays in our school, in our house, office, company, agriculture, a different scene is we can see, okay, a different type of scene we can see here. नलों में अब पूरे समय पानी नहीं आता है। इन वाटर टैप होल डे वाटर डजंट कम। नल खोलो तो उससे पानी के बदले सू सू की आवाज आने लगती है। When you open the tap, only some sound will come. Water doesn't come. पानी आता भी है तो बेवक्त। If water is coming also, there is no proper timing. कभी देर रात तो कभी भोर सवेरे, मे बी लेट नाइट इट विल कम, वेरी अर्ली मॉर्निंग इट विल कम। मीठी नींद छोड़कर घर भर की बाल्टियां, बर्तन और घड़े भरते रहो। पानी को लेकर कभी कभी कहीं कहीं आपस में तो तू मैमी भी होने लगती है। So what they are saying in Pondicherry, your condition is okay. Water we are getting at least 1 or 2 hour at right time. But when you go to big city or some villages where water shortage is there, what will happen? Water will not come on time. So maybe midnight it will come, early morning it will come, and that time maybe you are doing some other work, you have to leave that work and you have to run with bucket to collect the water. And do you know in Rajasthan, there is the Rajasthan, Gujarat, water shortage is there. People will take the bucket and mud pot that they will take, and they have to go many kilometers away, like 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer away to pick up a bucket of water. Okay, so we should not waste the water. And you know, when this water is coming, like municipality water is coming in a common water tank, sometimes people fight for water. No, first I want, first I want. So for this water people are fighting also. नल में अब पूरे समय पानी नहीं आता है। रोज रोज के इन झगड़े झंझटों से बचने के लिए कई घरों में लोग नलों के पाइप में मोटर लगवा लेते हैं। सो वी शुड नॉट फाइट विद ईच अदर। मैनी पीपल व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल पुट वाटर पंप इन देयर tap only, water tap only. Then what will happen? When you will switch on the pump with speed, all water will come your side. And who don't have the motor in their house, water will not go, because with machine, very fast machine will take all water, one house, and other houses there is no water. यह तो अपने आसपास का हक छीनने जैसा काम है, लेकिन मजबूरी मानकर इस काम को मोहल्ले में कोई एक घर कर बैठे तो कई घर में यही करने लगते हैं। दिस इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग। दिस थिंग इज लाइक यू आर टेकिंग समवन एल्स, okay, someone else water or anything you are taking, but what to do? We need water to live. So if one people, they will see other people also started to keep the motor. So nowadays see, in all houses you will get a water pump, and when water will start to come, or we are keeping a sump, you have to switch on the pump, then water only will come, because normal water will not come. शहरों में तो अब कई चीज़ों की तरह पानी भी बिकने लगा है। And in big cities now people are selling the water also. You all know water in bottle we are selling now, and in your house also drinking water you have to purchase and drink. दिल्ली, मुंबई, कोलकाता, चेन्नई और बेंगलोर जैसे बड़े शहरों में भी लोगों को भयानक कष्ट में डाल देती है। सो दिस टाइप ऑफ बिग सिटीज ना, देयर इज अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम फॉर द वाटर। देश के कई हिस्सों में तो अकाल जैसी हालत बन जाती है। यह तो हुई गर्मी के मौसम की बात। दिस इज द समर सीजन प्रॉब्लम। लेकिन बरसात के मौसम में क्या होता है? Then what's happening in rainy season? लो, सब तरफ पानी ही बहने लगता है, एवरीवेयर वाटर। हमारे तुम्हारे घर, स्कूल, सड़कों, रेल की पटरियों पर पानी भर जाता है। सो एवरीवेयर वाटर विल बी देयर इन योर हाउस, आवर हाउसेज, स्कूल, रोड, इवन रेलवे ट्रैक, एवरीवेयर वाटर विल बी देयर। देश के कई भाग बाढ़ में डूब जाते हैं एंड इन इंडिया मैनी सिटीज फ्लड विल कम। यह बाढ़ न गाँव को छोड़ती है न मुंबई जैसे बड़े शहरों को, मुंबई एंड चेन्नई जैसे बड़े शहरों को। एंड दिस फ्लड विल कम इन विलेज आल्सो एंड इन अ बिग बिग सिटीज आल्सो। कुछ दिनों के लिए तो सब कुछ थम जाता है, सब कुछ बह जाता है एंड फॉर सम टाइम everything will be stopped because everywhere water will be there, you can't move and many things will go, it will swim in the water. Due to flood things will go out from the house. ये हालात हमें बताते हैं कि पानी का बेहद कम हो जाना और पानी का बेहद ज़्यादा हो जाना यानी अकाल और बाढ़ एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं। So this both situation, shortage of water and too much of water, both are problematic. Okay, both situation is giving us problem. यदि हम इन दोनों को ठीक से समझ सकें, if both thing we understand proper और संभाल सकें and we manage it proper, then we can sort out this problem. चलो थोड़ी देर के लिए हम पानी के इस चक्कर को भूल जाएं और याद करें अपनी गुल्लक को। जब भी हमें कोई पैसा देता है हम खुश होकर दौड़कर उसे झट से अपनी गुल्लक में डाल देते हैं। सो नाउ दे आर सेइंग ओके, फॉरगेट दिस थिंग अबाउट वाटर साइकिल एंड वाटर प्रॉब्लम। व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, इफ समवन विल गिव मनी टू यू, व्हाट यू विल डू? You all are having hundi in your house, you will run and that money you will keep it in your hundi. Okay? हमारी यह धरती भी इसी तरह की खूब बड़ी गुल्लक है and this is our earth also is a big hundi. मिट्टी की बनी इस विशाल गुल्लक में प्रकृति वर्षा के मौसम में खूब पानी बरसाती है। So this gullak in rainy season, like someone is giving you money, nature is giving lot of water to us, and if lot of money you will get, what you will do? You have to save the money, you have to put in hundi. Same thing, what we should do, we should make lot of pond, lakes, rain harvesting we should do. So rainy season we should save the water. And so what will happen if pond is there, lake is there, rain harvesting is there? Like in your house you have to make a well for rain on your roof, in your house what water is coming that will go inside. So what will be there? Slowly this all water it will be filtered and it will be stored in deep inside the earth. Then summer season will come. If all people will try like this, all rain water we have to save, like money you are keeping in your hundi. Then what will happen when rain will finish? In summer season that water only we have to drink, we can use like your hundi. You are saving the money and whenever you want you can take it out the money. Same thing, water also we should manage. In rainy season we should save the water. How you will save the water? Through pond, lake, rivers and rain harvesting you have to do. So all water will go inside the earth. In summer season when there is no rain, you want the water, you have to like a well or pump, you have to put it from down, you have to take water. So this is a good idea na, we should do. यदि हमने जल चक्र का ठीक उपयोग नहीं किया तो हम पानी के चक्कर में फंसते चले जाएंगे। एंड इफ वी आर नॉट मैनेजिंग दिस, one day we are going to suffer badly due to this water problem. Next we will go for word meaning. पानी, water. You all know पानी, तन्नी, नीर, water, all are water. कहाँ, कहाँ means where. कहाँ means where. WHERE, where. जल चक्र, water cycle. जल चक्र means water cycle. झगड़ा, झगड़ा means quarrel. झगड़ा means quarrel. QUERREL, quarrel. मोहल्ला, मोहल्ला means village or town, means which area you are living. Okay, which area you are living, your neighborhood is there na, that is known as a मोहल्ला. बरसात, rain. बरसात means rain. Rainy season is there na, that is in Hindi we will say बरसात. सड़क, सड़क means road. सड़क means road. ROAD. सिक्का, सिक्का means coin. Coin you know na, gold coin, silver coin, and our money is there. 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee coin is there. That is in Hindi we will say सिक्का. गुल्लक, गुल्लक means hundi. Gullak means hundi, where we are keeping our saving money, and Hindi we will say gullak. Bazaar, bazaar means market. Bazaar means market, where you will go to do shopping. You want to purchase clothes, shoe, vegetables, where you will go? You will go to bazaar, market. Garmi, garmi means hot and summer season also. Both garam means hot, garam means hot. Garmi means talking about season, summer season. Garmi. Bhandar, bhandar means go down. Bhandar means go down. Storage. Bhandar means go down. Storage. Okay children, so this was your word meaning. Bhandar, what you will keep? Storage, what you will keep? Maybe vegetable store is there, grain store is there, wholesale cloth will be there. Okay, a same type is lot of things will be in a room, that is known as a go down or storage. Next we will go for question answer. तुम्हारे घर में पानी कहाँ आता है? From where in your house water comes? So from here in your house water is coming. Water comes through municipality or corporation. Okay, corporation water comes in our house. Answer will be हमारे घर में पानी कॉर्पोरेशन से आता है. हमारे घर में पानी कॉर्पोरेशन से आता है. हमारे घर मीन्स आर हाउस, तुम्हारे घर मीन्स योर हाउस. घर मीन्स हाउस, तुम्हारे मीन्स योर, हमारे मीन्स आर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. तुम्हारे घर का मैला पानी बहकर कहाँ जाता है? योर हाउस dirty water, where it goes? We are taking bath, washing vessels, washing cloth. This all water, where it goes? Answer will be हमारे घर का मैला पानी बहकर नाले में जाता है. So our house drainage is connected to a big drainage. Okay, so this all water, one area, all water, it will go to a big drainage. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. तुम्हारे इलाके में धरती का पानी कितने फीट नीचे है? इन योर एरिया हाउ मैनी फीट्स ग्राउंड वाटर इज देयर? हाउ मैनी फीट ग्राउंड वाटर इज देयर? व्हाट इज द लेवल ऑफ वाटर इन योर एरिया? Nowadays 25 feet, 30 feet, 50 feet water has gone down. आज से क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. आज से 15 वर्ष पहले यह पानी कितना नीचे था? 15 years before, what was the ground water level? How many feet it was? आज से 15 वर्ष पहले पानी 10 फीट नीचे था. 15 years before, water was 13 to 10, 13. 20 feet down. It was only this much it was down, but due to our mismanagement, water level is going day by day down. Question number 5. बड़ी संख्या में इमारतें बनने से बाढ़ और अकाल का खतरा कैसे पैदा होता है? If lot of buildings we are making, buildings, companies we are making, so how flood comes? How floods and drought comes? What is relation? How many feet it was? आज से 15 वर्ष पहले पानी 10 फीट नीचे था. 15 years before, water was 13 to 10, 13, 20 feet down. It was only this much it was down, but due to our mismanagement, water level is going day by day down. Question number 5. बड़ी संख्या में इमारतें बनने से बाढ़ और अकाल का खतरा कैसे पैदा होता है? If lot of buildings we are making, buildings, companies we are making, so how flood comes? How floods and drought comes? What is relation? You are making the building and how it comes? What is relation in with drought and flood with buildings? Answer will be, हम इमारतें बनाने के लिए तालाबों और झीलों को ख़त्म कर देते हैं. To make the building, we are just covering the ponds, lakes. We will finish that. We will put mud in that and that will finish. जिससे बाढ़ की स्थिति बढ़ जाती है. So, if there is no pond, there is no lake, where water will store? And if water will not store, all through river water will go to sea, and sea water you can't drink. If water is stored in a lake or pond, slowly that water will go inside the earth, and good water we can use. But when there is no pond, there is no lake, so there is no water storage. In that condition, buildings, companies, factory are responsible for drought and flood. And if there is no water storage inside the earth, in summer season how you will drink the water? And in rainy season also, rainwater you can't drink. You can't pick up water from the road. Groundwater only we have to drink, correct? So buildings, factories, companies are responsible for drought and flood. Okay children, so today we have read Pani Re Pani, lesson 16. How and what type of problem we are getting if we will not manage the water resources proper. So children, see the video, write your homework neat and clean and try to read the book. Thank you. Have a good day.